Friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys ringtone setting in our Tecno phone. In this video guys I will show you guys how can you change your alarm ringtone in your Tecno phone. Guys, you want to change guys your alarm ringtone in your Tecno phone, so guys you can change. And guys, now let's see how to change alarm ringtone in our Tecno phone. In this video guys I will show you. Like first of all guys, open your phone setting to change your alarm ringtone. Then guys scroll it. As you can see guys, your sound and vibration setting. Then guys again tap here to change your alarm ringtone. Then guys scroll it. So friends, then scroll it, and as you can see guys, your alarm sound setting means ringtone setting. So guys tap here. And so guys, which alarm ringtone guys you want to change, and guys you want to add guys your alarm ringtone. So guys you can add from here guys. Click on your plus option to add your alarm ringtone. So as example for guys, I will change into guys this wake up setting. And okay, because guys I like this sound. Then guys you can see guys your alarm volume, and guys you can adjust your alarm volume from here guys. You can use it. So like that guys, you can change your alarm ringtone in your Tecno phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye friends.